Hello students, today we are going to discuss SSTF Disk Scheduling Algorithm. SSTF stands for Shortest Seek Time First. Now in this case, the request will be served depending upon the shortest distance of our head position. For example, if our head position is at track number 50 and if the request is 43 and 82, it will see which one is nearer to the current head position and that request will be served first. So in this question, if you see request sequence 82, 170, 43, 140, 24, 16 and 190. And it is also been mentioned that there are 200 tracks from 0 to 199. For SSTF disk scheduling algorithm, we are going to sort this request in ascending order. So this is how we have written it. 0, 16, 24, 43, 50 is included because the head position which has been mentioned in the question is at 50. That is the current position of our head. Next is 82, 140, 70, 190 and 199. So this sequence is in sorted order. In this algorithm, before it serves the request, the nearest requests are 82 and 43. So it will calculate the distance between 50 and 82 as well as between 50 and 43. And the distance between 50 and 43 is smaller than the distance between 50 and 82. So the head will start moving towards 43. From 43, the head will move to 24. From 24, the head will move to 16. From 16, the head will move to 82. From 82 to 140. From 140 to 170. From 170 to 190. So this is the head movement for our SSTF disk scheduling algorithm. Now we have to calculate the number of cylindrical movements. So let's calculate. So the first movement is between 50 and 43. So we'll subtract 43 from 50. The answer is 7. Next calculation is 43 minus 24. That is 19. Next is 24 minus 16. That is 8. Next is 82 minus 16. That is 66. 140 minus 82. That is 58. Next is 170 minus 140. That is 30. And next is 190 minus 170. So the result is 20. Now what we have to do is we have to add all these results together to find the number of head movements or to find the number of cylindrical movements. So let's add these results. So the answer is 208. So number of cylindrical movements or the number of head movements for SSTF disk scheduling algorithm for the given request string is 208. That's all for the day. Thank you.